All right, so let's assume we know all of that. So now let's see, okay, well, what are people actually buying? So this is, you guys, all MLSs look the same for the most part where you guys live. We always start with closed deals because we don't care about active. Only thing we care about is closed deals, closed deals, closed deals. I live in a county called Gwinnett County, Gwinnett. That's where I live. And I would say a move-up price for a move-up buyer who wants to live in Gwinnett County is probably 400. Let's just say 375 to about 600,000. That's what an average person might be. That's moving up. They have some equity to put down a couple 100,000, and they're going to finance the rest. They want at least 4 bedrooms. If somebody's moving up to a different price point, do they want a basement or no basement? Average person.
Basement.
Basement. Do they want it finished or not?
Finished.
All right. Oh, not bad. Finished basement. There we go. You guys are telling me what you want, so I'm gonna give you what I'm gonna show you how we do this. So now, what kind of home they want? Do they care if it's stucco? Do they care if it's brick, stone? Do they care, or do they just want to say, hey, I'd love to find a home in Gwinnett County, 375 to 400 on a finished basement?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, they want brick. But
sure, or you guessing?
Some people don't. If you get all the other features, they say they want brick, but they'll take.
All right. Okay. So let's narrow it down. So now on my MLS, because I add these additional fields at the bottom, because this is really going to help me decide what people really want. Now, remember, I'm going to slow down for y'all. Follow me, write this stuff down for you guys that don't have enough business. How about that? Closed deals, the thing we care about. Closed, closed, closed. Okay. All I did was put my county, Gwinnett County, pretty popular county in Metro Atlanta. And you guys told me this client wants a house somewhere between 375, 600,000 with 4 or more bedrooms with a finished basement. That's what you said. This client who's moving up, this is what they want. This is what you just told me.
We didn't put the bathrooms.
I don't care about bathrooms. Okay? We assume that there will be a right amount of bathrooms. Okay. The more we put in, the less options we have, right? You want to be known as the lady or the gentleman with the houses. That's why I tell all you guys, always buy your name. Your URL should be your name with the houses. You should be Melissa with the houses. What is it, Jill? I've been doing it so long. Melissa has the buyers.com. That's what it should be.
Yeah.
Okay. Melissa has the buyers.com. Carolyn has the buyers.com. Shalia has the buyers.com. You should own those names at GoDaddy. You should buy those. And then you should market those. And you should also buy Melissa has the houses.com. Carolyn has the houses.com. Shalia has the houses.com because you got the houses. You want to be known as the person with all the houses. That's the way I market myself. Hey, man, I could get you access to thousands of homes not listed on MLS, man. Give me a call. And they gave me a call. Hey, you got to sell your home, man. I got 15,000 buyers in my database, man. I'd love to bring 10 to 12 buyers in your home by Saturday at 2 to 3 or Sunday 3 to 4. See if we can get your home sold before you even think about listing. Does that sound good? What? Yep. That's how I talk when I'm out amongst people who mention buying or selling. I don't say, can I list your house? I don't say, hey, I need to sign you up on a buyer broker account. I just give them what they want. A seller wants what? Starts with a B. Buy. And buyers want, starts with an H.
Houses.
Houses, right? So I just give them what they want. What they don't want is to work with real estate agents that's only showing them houses they can find on their own. You guys, you don't deserve anything. They don't want to work with you. You're making us look bad. I know that's none of you guys, but the other agents out that's not on this Zoom right now, that's them. They're making us look bad, right?